Hey guys, today we're going to be doing some chicken wings on the El Charro, a little appetizer for Super Bowl coming up. Make sure you take a look at a couple of other videos from Smokin Joe's Pit BBQ and Behind the Garage BBQ. I'll put their links down below, or you can search hashtag elcharrohalftimeshow. Come on. Alright guys, like I said, I'm going to be making some chicken wings on the El Charro. So while our charcoal is getting nice and hot and ready to pour over the fresh coals in the grill, let's go ahead and get these prepped up. All I'm going to do is shake a little bit of Uncle Steve's competition bird powder on them, and then we're going to go from there. And I'm going to add a little bit of flavoring there towards the end of the cook, just to really kick everything off. But I'm going to start everything off with some Uncle Steve's competition bird powder. We're going to get the skewers loaded up and thrown on the El Charro. Alright guys, let's recap on what we did so far. We took our buffalo wings, our drums and our flats, and we laid them out. We shook a little bit of competition bird powder from Uncle Steve's shake on them. From there we took our skewer, we punched our skewer through them, and we got our skewers all lined up with our chicken wings. At that time we had a great bed of coals on the grill. Our El Charro was positioned right over them, and we loaded that thing up. I set it on a low, medium, about a quarter turn up for the speed to get it going. And then after about 15 minutes, I moved those skewers around because I don't want anything sitting in a hot spot for too long. So if I can move them around every 10-15 minutes, it'll be an even cook for all of them. And when I moved them, I turned that speed up just a little bit, because as it goes slow, it drips fat down and you have flare-ups, and you don't want that. So we turned that speed up just a little bit. It was about halfway for the remainder of the cook. This is a collaboration with Smokin Joe's Pit BBQ and Behind the Garage BBQ with old Craig over there in Rhode Island. And those guys are amazing. I love them. I love their videos. They give us great input. We bounce things off of each other all the time. Make sure you go check them out. There's going to be links down below. Again, hashtag elcharrohalftimeshow. Let's take a look at how these turned out. Let's get them off. Let's get them plated up, and show you how I like to finish them off. Alright guys, so we've got all three of our bowls with a few wings in them, and man, they turned out amazingly crispy and cooked throughout, and I'm just very happy with that open fire style of cook. And we're going to finish these off in 3 different ways. One way is going to be with some HEB, just some flying saucy wing sauce. The other 2 are going to be with some Cosmos Q dry rub wing dust, and one's just going to be regular buffalo. The other's going to be a mix of lemon pepper and garlic parmesan. I really love that combination, and Cosmos does a really good job. So just pour a little bit of the wet in here. Doesn't take a lot, and then you just shake it, shake it. I'm going to do the same thing with the dry rubs in each of these. Shake it up, get it plated up, and try them out. Alright guys, so these are all finished up. We've got our buffalo dusted over here. We've got our our lemon pepper garlic parmesan here. And we've got our HEB buffalo sauce here. So let's go ahead and take a bite of each, and let's see how they taste. Now, I am a flats guy. I prefer flats over drums, but that's just me, and I'm usually always right. That's how you eat. You break the knuckle off, take a bite, slide them off the bone. Here we go. So good. Uncle Steve's competition bird powder being that base layer of flavor for all this, dynamite. Let's try these. I'll tell you which one's my favorite when we're done. What you know about that? Okay. So I've had the buffalo powder. I've had the lemon pepper garlic parmesan. Right now there's one ahead in the lead. Let's try the sauce. Those are all really good. You're not going to lose doing any of these. My personal favorite is the lemon pepper garlic parmesan combination from Cosmos Q. I absolutely love that. Of course, I love flats over drums as well. Guys, make sure you look at the comments, look at the links down below, Behind the Garage BBQ, Smokin Joe's Pit Barbecue, hashtag elcharro halftime show. Enjoy your Super Bowl weekend. Enjoy the family and friends you're around. Drink more water. I love you. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. Subscribe. Have a good week.